Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 37. HAKGYO. HAKGYO, which means school in Korean. Again, our word for today is HAKGYO, and it only means school. How do you write HAKGYO in Hangul? It is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable hak, we need to draw first a hyo character, followed by an al character, followed by a gyo character. The second syllable gyo, we need to draw a gyo character and a yo character. And then we just need to combine this to form the Hangul of HAKGYO. And with that, you've just learned HAKGYO. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 27 to 36. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 37, is HAKGYO, which means school. The first word for our review is word number 36, 물, which means water. Word number 35 is Joeseo, which means this is me or it is me. Word number 34 is saram, which means person. Word number 33 is 죄송합니다. This is used to say excuse me or I'm sorry. Word number 32 is gapang, which means bag. Word number 31 is 잘 부탁드립니다, which means please take care of me, and this is more likely used on a work setting or corporate setting. Word number 30 is 또 보자, which means see you again. Word number 29 is 이따 봐, which means see you later. Word number 28 is 그냥, which means just because. And the last word for our review is word number 27, 빨리, which means quickly or fast. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.